Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to download billing history in your Fiverr account. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Fiverr account from your browser. I just simply open it from my Chrome browser. So here you can see right now if I want to download billing history, I just need to click on the top right corner your profile icon. Right now you can find the option billing and payments. Select it. Right now you just need to select billing history, and then you can find the option download reports. Just click here, and here you can see download already completed. So if I just open it, you can see date, number, service, order, currency, everything is showing here, but I have no history. That's why they are empty. So that's it guys. In this way you can download billing history in your Fiverr account. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.